we actually began around the third quarter of last year engaging with financing partners about expansion capital. Our pilot in the desert, which you visited, showed very promising results, the potential for year-round local production at very high quality and at a very good cost structure. So we began efforts to expand, preparing designs, securing land partners, both in the UAE and Saudi and now in Kuwait, and then of course began on the journey to pursue capital to build those farms. So we are now nearly complete with construction of 2 new assets here in the UAE and expanding our portfolio. We'll be producing more tomatoes, leafy greens, and a greater variety of strawberries, which we currently produce today, and also building a beachhead in Saudi Arabia with this capital. So with regards to the solution, though, I have to thank our partners. I mean, Shua, Sancta, and Franklin Templeton were extremely creative, developing a highly structured sukuk financing solution, so an Islamic bond, if you will, that has been able to accommodate our longer-term needs of capital for an aggressive capital or CapEx program, and also accommodates the fast-growing nature of the business, right? Fundamentally, this is venture debt, which is quite novel for this region. There's not a significant venture debt market. So we're really grateful for these partners for believing in the story, the future for a more sustainable food production system here in the Middle East, and underwriting the potential of our early pilot facility and our team. So really, I have to thank our partners as well.
And what's really fascinating, Sky, for anyone who has followed your business is it's solving a real regional problem. We know you've been around long before COVID, long before food security was on top of the national agenda. So explain to us what the growth strategy looks like moving forward and how your technology has application beyond the UAE.
Yeah, thank you, Dan. Admittedly, we saw this opportunity relatively early, right? We're the early entrant in this market in the Middle East and a pioneer for food security investment here. But the government has been extremely accommodative. Her Excellency Mary Malmaheri in the Middle East, the Minister of State of Food and Water Security, really has a very similar belief and vision that technology can be used to localize food production in some crops, not in every crop, but certainly in the ones that we serve in fruits and vegetables. And so we saw that vision. They now certainly support it, and we've received tremendous support now, both from the Mohammed bin Rashid Innovation Fund, the Abu Dhabi Investment Office, and ADQ. So there's been sovereign investment, as well as from WAFRA, the Kuwaiti Sovereign Investment Fund that led our Series A. So we've had great support.